Still working on this quarter-hour cuckoo clock made in Germany, but I wanted to point out something to you. I've showed this up in other videos, but the original minute hand is broken. I'm going to get this off. The original minute hand takes a slot hole. I don't have any slot holes. Easiest way to repair this, because I don't have all the minute hand, is put this on here, acting as a washer. Take a minute hand, put it on there, and then put the nut, screw it down on. And the minute hand that has a slot in it acts as a spacer, so the new minute hand won't touch it, and voila, you have a working minute hand. And watch as I turn the hands. It works. I just have to adjust it because this is a quarter-hour cuckoo clock. The cuckoos are going off. About 5 minutes till. So I loosen up the hand, put the minute hand where it needs to be, and then test it. Still off. Let's try it again. It's on. So again, you don't have to go out and buy original hands if you don't want to, or you don't have to have the original hands. You just have to have part of the original hand to use as a washer. I do the same thing with Herbert Hur movements, where it has a square hole. I use the broken part to act as a washer, then put a round hole in it and do the same thing that I just did for this clock. Again, I hope this helps. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, and God bless.